In this video, we are going to construct an equilateral triangle in GeoGebra, and you can find the link to this GeoGebra practice in the description of this video. So this one says, using the steps below, construct an equilateral triangle. And we're going to read these steps down below here to show us what to do, okay? So we're beginning with 2 points, A and B, and ultimately we want to find a third point that is going to enable us to construct an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle obviously is going to have 3 points that are going to be connected. So we need to find the correct position for that third point. Step 2 says construct a circle with radius AB centered at A. So we're going to use our circle tool, our compass tool, and we're going to set that radius to AB and center it at A. Step 3 says next, construct a circle with radius AB, so same radius, centered at B this time. So we're going to click on that compass tool, the circle tool, and we're going to set the radius to AB. And this time we're going to center it on B. So I'm going to stay on B and click. I'm going to scroll down so that we can read the last couple of steps. Step 4 says, then mark a point C at the intersection of the 2 circles. Okay, so I'm going to mark a point right here, but you could mark this point down here. If you did that, your triangle would look like this. So there's 2 possible ways to do this construction. So I'm going to click on the point tool and click right there where the 2 circles are intersecting. And then finally, connect points A, B, and C with the segment tool. So I'm going to click the segment tool, and I'm going to connect A and C, and then I'm going to connect C and B, and then I'm going to connect B and A. And there you have it. We have our equilateral triangle.